Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today we will discuss the relational database, and we have variety of databases actually, and this is one of the type relational database. That word relational means in the form of table we are storing a data. So this is the example we have, and you can see here we are storing the data in the form of a table. Table is a combination of row multiply with columns. How many rows we have? Row 1 2 3. And how many columns we have? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we can say we have 3 rows and we have 5 columns. Totally we have 15 cells inside this one. So let's start with the definition which we have, that various types of databases have been developed, and one of them was relational database, which is developed by the EF Code at IBM. That is a company name and that is a inventor name, and which year? 1970. These three things are very crucial to understand because that will come in the MCQ type of questions in the coming examinations of class 12 IT, and in graduation also. If that kind of question is coming into the examination that related to the relational database, then also you can add up these such things details in your answer. And you need to remember this one because that is very crucial things which will be coming in the examination point of view, which you have to understand and which you have to remember. The next is that it is used to organize collection of data as a collection of relations. That relational word means in the form of tables we are going to store the data, and where each relation correspond to the table of our values. We have the values here inside the table, you can see here. So let's see that what are the meaning of column in this SQL language, and what are the meaning of rows, what are the meaning of cardinality, domain. Each one we are going to understand today. So look up here. The first thing, that row is also known as tuple, that this thing is a row we have, and row is also known as record, right? So if we are using the word record, row or tuple, then all these three things are same. So instead of using the word column, we have the word attribute for here. So how many attributes we have in this table? 1 2 3 4 5 we have seen already. Next is table is also called relation. That table which we have, that is also called relation. Next, the fourth point is that a data type of a values in each of the column is called domain. Whatever the value which we are using, what are the data types which we are using. For example, while creating a table, we are writing up like this, like name. For example, if we are defining this column, so we are writing name, then after we are writing varchar, okay, the values inside like 50 and comma, and next like employee ID, okay, this one, and we are writing like this int. So these data types are also called domain. Each of columns data type is called domain. Then after, next we have that number of attributes in a relation is called degree. So how many degree of this table is? 5, because 1 2 3 4 5 we have 5 columns, so the degree of this relation is called 5. Next is the number of rows in a relation is called cardinality. How many rows we have in this? 1 2 3. So this is called cardinality. What is the cardinality of this table? That is 3. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.